Hey there, I think I forgot to turn my mic on there when I got started. So as you can see, we had about 20 inches of snow on top of that roof, and now it's down here on the ground. It's probably 1,000+ pounds easily that I just removed. I still have a little side roof, but you're not going to be able to see it in the video, so I'm going to stop it here and then we'll come back. Alright, I just finished up the horse shelter, and the battery died somewhere towards the end of me working on the shelter, so I got a new battery. I'm over here by where the chicken coop is, and I'm going to start working on that, and then make my way over to here to the right of me is where our hay barn is, and I'm going to knock some of that off. I'm not worried about the weight on that. It's just if it sits up there, it'll dam up and cause some water coming on our hay. So. Alright, that's all I'm going to do on this roof. I got about 2/3 of it done. I can't really step on there because it's just for 2x6s and some old roofing tin from an old barn. So it's not the most stable to be standing on. But by pulling this bottom third off, what's going to happen is now at least when it melts, it won't dam at the bottom, and hopefully the snow will slide down and come right on off. I got to dig out the bunny a little bit, and then I'll start on the next one there. Little porch roof. You see it's quite flat. And I'm afraid if I leave that there, it'll cause some damage. So I'm going to hop up there and get cleaned off. Alright, that's it. Roof's cleaned off. Big pile of snow. I'm going to go in, get warmed up, have some hot coffee, and watch a little TV and relax. And if you like our content, please subscribe. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Links are down in the description. We'll see you another time.